So today we are going to be talking about computer networking terms, and this will be a guide on understanding networking terms, their history, and their importance. So here's a little table of contents. So we're going to talk about the history of computer networks, what computer networking is, and then we're going to cover the terms and definitions of a router, a modem, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, VPN, ISP, bandwidth, IP address, and domain name. So a brief history of computer networks. So in the beginning, computers were standalone machines and sharing information was very difficult. But in the rise of the internet connected computers worldwide, creating a vast network. And as computers became more common in homes, home networks were developed for sharing files and internet access. And in the age of the wireless revolution, Wi-Fi made it possible to connect devices without cables, increasing convenience. And so what is computer networking? It refers to the practice of connecting multiple computers and other devices so they can communicate and share resources. This system allows devices to exchange data, access shared files, and utilize shared services such as printers and internet connections. Think of it as a group of friends sharing news and ideas. So we're going to talk about the components of a network, its functions, and different types of networks. So there are three components of a network: the devices, the connection medium, and the network devices. So the devices include computers, printers, servers, and other electronic gadgets. Some connection medium includes cables, Wi-Fi, or other technologies that link devices. And network devices include routers, switches, and hubs that manage traffic. There are three major functions of computer networks, one being sharing resources. So printers, files, and internet connections can be shared among multiple users. Another function is communication. It enables email, instant messaging, video calls, and online collaboration. It also provides access to the vast world of the internet. And there are three types of networks: an LAN, which stands for Local Area Network, which is a small network that covers a small geographic area, such as home, office, or school; a Wide Area Network, or WAN, which span larger geographic areas; and a Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN, which covers a city or a large area. So now we're going to talk about a router, what it is, and its functions and importance. So a router is a device that directs data between different devices on your network and the internet. When you send an email, the router determines the best path for that data to reach its destination. And routers efficiently manage data traffic, preventing congestion and ensuring smooth communication. They divide a network into segments to improve performance and security. Routers connect multiple devices to the internet. And the pictures on the screen show what a router looks like. And now we're going to talk about a modem. So a modem, also known as a modulator-demodulator, converts digital data from your computer into a format that can be transmitted over telephone lines, cable systems, or satellites, and vice versa. Modems translate digital signals from your computer into analog signals that can travel over phone lines or cable systems, and then back into digital signals for your computer to understand. Now we're going to talk about Ethernet. So Ethernet is a family of networking technologies used for local area networks, or LANs, and it uses cables and switches to connect devices. It defines the standards for wired connections, ensuring devices can communicate together quickly and reliably over short distances. It's widely used in homes and businesses for its reliability and speed. It provides a stable connection compared to wireless alternatives, making it ideal for tasks requiring consistent and high-speed data transfer. And on the right is what an Ethernet cable looks like.
Sanjana, can you please slow down a little bit so that we can absorb, as there's going to be a lot of...
Sure, I will.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to talk about Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that allows devices to connect to a network using radio waves instead of physical cables. Wi-Fi networks use a router or access point to transmit and receive radio signals. Devices equipped with Wi-Fi adapters can connect to the network and communicate wirelessly with other devices or the internet. Wi-Fi has become a standard in homes, businesses, and public spaces, providing the convenience of wireless web access. It enables devices like laptops, smartphones, and tablets to connect to the internet without needing physical cables. And now VPNs, which stand for Virtual Private Network. So a VPN creates a secure and encrypted connection or tunnel over a less secure network, such as the internet. This tunnel is encrypted, making it difficult for others to intercept and read the data. VPNs allow users to access their network remotely and safely. VPNs are crucial for privacy and security online. They protect sensitive information from eavesdropping and are commonly used by businesses to allow employees to access company resources securely from remote locations. An Internet Service Provider, or ISP, is a company or organization that provides individuals and businesses with access to the internet. They offer various services, including internet connectivity, email accounts, and web hosting. ISPs are essential for providing the foundational connectivity that allows individuals and businesses to access and use the internet. They play a key role in delivering internet services, maintaining infrastructure, and offering customer support. Bandwidth refers to the maximum rate at which data can be transferred over a network connection or communication channel. It is commonly measured in bits per second, or BPS, with higher values indicating more capacity for data transfer. Bandwidth determines how much data can be transmitted over a network in a given period of time, affecting the performance of internet connections. Higher bandwidth allows for faster downloads, smoother streaming, and a better overall user experience. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is a unique numerical label assigned to each device connected to a network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. It serves as an identifier for devices, allowing them to locate and communicate with each other. IP addresses are crucial for identifying and locating devices on a network. They ensure that data sent over the internet reaches the correct destination, enabling effective communication and interaction between devices. Domain name is a human-readable address used to identify a website or resource on the internet. It translates numerical IP addresses into a format that is easier for people to remember and use. Domain names simplify the process of accessing websites and online resources. They provide a user-friendly way to navigate the internet, replacing the need to remember complex numerical IP addresses. And here are some additional resources that talk about the computer networking terms that we reviewed today. So if you'd like to learn more about this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to our website or call the number on the screen to register for our one-on-one phone session. Or you could stop by our weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. on Thursdays.